Number 1. Which of the following numbers has the digit 5 in a place value position that is 1/10 the value of the digit 5 in the number 435,207,721? Number 2. How is the following number written in standard notation? Number 3. Write the following number in standard form: 54 10,000s, 1600s, 3 ones. Number 4. How is the following number represented in written notation? A. 793,045,016. B. 79,3,045,016. C. 793,045,016. D. 793,045,060.